Alright guys, we may have started late last time, but we're starting early this time. It's 2 minutes and 30 seconds till market open. I don't know if I have a lisp or not. That's right, I got braces, yo, train tracks, hashtag train tracks. Come on, man. No, they're actually like weird as shit. I'm not even gonna lie. It is not what I expected at all. Hold on, this mentor. Okay. So, as you guys can tell, I did get braces and they're low-key pretty tough. But I literally just can't even eat now. I would be eating a little bit better, but I already have a problem already day one into braces. And it low-key didn't hurt putting them on. It hurts a lot now because they're like doing some crazy shit. But I need to get these things called stop biters or turbo biters, where it's like that blue thing on my tooth, but I need to do it more so I can actually bite down, because when I bite, it like pushes onto the bottom brackets. Anyways, what am I doing? Come on. So, what are we starting this trade with? Well, first of all, we manipulated an hourly low and have gotten a reaction. So it's manipulation if we close bullish on this, plus reversal. And that means we're looking for longs today. And we're going to be looking for a 1 minute continuation, probably a 5 minute continuation. I feel like I have a lisp right now. Probably a 5 minute continuation because, you know, that's more the safer play. We've gotten a big strong reaction up. It would be kind of feel like silly to just enter on a quick 1 minute reaction, like feel like this, and then we just tumble down. And anyways, so we're going to be looking for like a 5 minute. We're going to be looking for like a 5 minute confluence, which would be shit. Alright, so something like this. Bang. We got equilibrium here, and then a fair value gap on the 5 minute. This will be a very nice entry point, quick fill in the gap, maybe even just a fill in the gap. And then bang, entry, but we don't want to enter crazy early into the market open because, you know, we got to see how it goes. But yeah, it's looking pretty good, but I do want to mention 4 hourly looks like, you know, it looks like it's going to continue, but it is pretty overextended, I can't lie. But I mean, we did do this retrace, but it's like, you know, you'd expect like a bit more down. Hourly, not really the same thing, but maybe we want to take out these draws on liquidity before we go down, which is cool. So our bias today is bullish, and we just gotta low-key be patient, obviously, wait. And yeah, it's looking like a very nice day today. Price is looking very fresh. It's looking like it's actually making some moves on like just staying. We also have equal lows to the downside. Just want to mention that. But yeah, it is gonna be a good trading day today. Win or lose, break even, whatever. It is going to be peak. So what am I waiting for now? As of right now, what it's giving us is a break of structure, back to the upside on the 1 minute, and a reaction. And that would be the perfect entry, even though it's very early in. What the fuck? Dude, I told you no barking on the streams. Chat, what should I do? Chat, send him out. Send him out. I'm sending him out, chat. To the streets. To the streets. To the streets. Throw a sloth out. Can't be bothered with him. To the streets. Oh, I'm in excruciating pain. I gotta take some more Panadol. Dude, I'm actually like, I did not, bro, anyone that has braces, like, I just look at them like, whatever, it's just braces. It actually is like, weird, bro. I don't even know what to say. But mine's kind of even more, I don't know how I'm gonna survive the next 2 days because I can't bite down. Like, I literally can't. Like, I'm just holding my jaw open. I'll probably be able to, you know, talk better and whatever, like, once I get that fixed. But once I get that fixed, it's just like a thing so I can buy it and then bang, 2 years and my jaw will, it's gonna be nice. Though I might be speaking like this, guys. If we go to the technicals here, we see that we did disrespect the 5-minute gap. Now, I should start like a video like that. So guys, what are we doing for market open? What I see, guys, is like, shut up, dude. Dude, this is looking like really nice. Yesterday's trade, by the way, we would have won if we didn't get stopped out break even, but I'm very happy with that trade. I can't lie, we barely got stopped out. You know, it was in this gap. We filled that gap in. And yeah, it was really nice. That was like a perfect trade yesterday. Literally no emotions. Like it was a like A+ setup trade, whatever you call it. It was not B+, it was A+. And it wasn't a C+ either. No, it was an A+. A big A. No news today as well, by the way, guys. Boop, 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 boop. Yesterday, news did fuck all. Monetary policy didn't even do anything. But we have news Tuesday next week. And Thursday? Tuesday and Thursday. I don't know if I'll be trading on them. It depends how prices, you know, moving. Because again, yesterday was perfect. Even though there was monetary policy at 11 p.m. Like, that's usually sometimes even better to trade on those days because it's more volatile. I reckon we want to kind of get an early entry. I feel like prices being volatile, that's what I feel like. So it doesn't matter. It just matters what price is giving us. So if price can give us a nice bullish 1 minute closure, and we'll also make it a 79% fib close on the 1 minute, just to be extra sure, because it is the 1 minute, is lower time frame, and it's just a lot, you know, because yeah, we're probably going to get a pretty nice closure on this. It looks like the 5 minute reaction, but yeah, we'll see if we can close nice and bullish, and that's a very early entry, but that's all of our confluences, bro. Hit pretty fast, 8 minutes into market open, but you know, we don't have to enter always 15 minutes into market open. Oh shit. You know what I'm saying? That's just like kind of silly, isn't it? If we get this literally A+ trait now. Dude, I'm getting too mathy. Okay. Enter! Alright, what are we risking today? Risking the most amount we're risking is $10. That's my risk. And then we're gonna target all the way up here. It looks a lot bigger on the 1 minute. Wait, what the fuck? Wait, why am I confused? That's not even that much. It's like, that's just a normal trade. Sorry, it just looked very fucking massive to me. I was like, what? Get it? What? No. Take profit 1. Break even. Break even's right here. So we could keep this as break even, but I'll keep it there. So I'll move it up because we might take out that draw and then whatever, just kind of come. Alright, nice. This is also 15-minute close, so we'll see how this 15-minute closes. We might even get stopped out here. Hey, I'm not saying we are, but it's just a 1 minute retrace right now, but hey, you never know, man. Price does what it does. That's kind of crazy. I said we're about to get stopped out. We might get stopped out. No, dude. When you see moves down, that's fine. It's just because my stop loss is very tight. Like, I guess I would say a little bit more nervous. So I do have a bit of emotion, but I'm not reacting off of that. I'm not acting off of it. But I guess I, like, when I see, but that's what I got to work on, you know? I'm supposed to be like this. Like, I'm supposed to see me get stopped out by this candle, and that better not happen. Dude, I jinxed it. I jinxed it! No, I'm kidding. Calm down. I got 9 hours of work tomorrow. Everyone's gonna see my train tracks. I like calling them train tracks. Train tracks, boy. My mom's now calling me train tracks, boy. What do I do in that situation? What do I do? No. It's still not what I expected, and I don't even need a plate. I already told you guys this. It's like just my front teeth kind of crowding. But I'm gonna have to wear these bad boys on for 2 years. $2 million. If anyone knows what I'm referencing, 5K straight to the bank. Right now, 5K straight to the bank. 5K! Someone name it in the comment section, 5K straight to the bank. 5Gs. We lost the trade. Okay, let's go. I guess it makes sense. Yeah, it's always funny whenever you lose a trade, you realize that like what you're thinking was kind of stupid, but also not. We still might go up because we might just be manipulating, but it looks like we're just going to continue down. And pro tip, don't enter early into market open, because that's what happens. We entered 5 minutes into market open, and I guess that makes sense because usually wherever price goes in the first 5 to 10 minutes, price eventually goes in the opposite direction. But it makes sense. At least we stuck to our rules. That's the main thing. Our bias was just wrong for today. We should have been bearish, which can't really see the bearish side of things, but I also can. Maybe wouldn't have been that, but I've still got to keep like remembering we still might be bullish. It's just we're getting that manipulation, and then we're going to continue up. But we're going to find out. We'll see tomorrow if we go down or up. Point is, next time, just be a bit more cautious. It was a very nice setup, but I should be a bit more patient next time. And yeah, I'll see you boys tomorrow. I haven't added this trade in yet, but we are now $9.88 down on the month. I know, right? On the month. So that's fine. Just gonna keep trading. Hopefully tomorrow's a different story. We'll see. Ladies, guys, hopefully my train checks look good. I think they look good. You know? Yo. I think they look alright. That's just me though. Yeah. Ladies, boys, does not look like we're reversing here. Just want to say that off of that.